So here's the ignition module for a Cub Cadet zero turn. What I was battling, and I talked about it in my other videos, was the blade kept disengaging randomly. And I found sometimes in forward, sometime in the reverse forward mode, it would actually be worse in the reverse forward mode than it was in forward a lot of times. I replaced the seat safety switch. I know I had a bad PTO switch with that wiggle test I showed in my other video, but I cleaned this one out about a week ago and it functioned properly for probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I replaced the one on the mower with a brand new one today, and I mowed for 3 hours straight without it shutting off once. So if you're having problems with the disengage, besides checking that PTO, I think this would be the next thing. The PTO is about 20 bucks. This was 50. Um, but it saved a lot of time and energy. Knock on wood, hopefully it's fixed it. The seat safety switch, that bypass, technically when you get on the mower, if that switch is bad, the mower should quit anyways. So um, yeah, I just wanted to give you another tip. I'll keep you updated if it starts to fail again. But if you're having that problem with the blades just shutting off randomly, try replacing this, and hopefully that helps.